Imagine downloading the entire Lord of the Rings trilogy in 8K HDR before you even finish this sentence. Or controlling a robot surgeon on Mars with zero lag. That's the insane power of 7G, and it's going to change everything. However, here is the shocking truth. No country on this planet has real 7G yet. Right now, countries like Norway and South Korea are claiming to have 7G, with speeds hitting 52.6 megabits per second. But here's the truth. That's not real 7G. It's just ultra-fast 5G or 6G, being rebranded by telecom companies to sell expensive plans. Today, we're busting myths, revealing the actual 7G roadmap, and exposing which nations are secretly racing to launch it first. Stick around, because by the end you'll know exactly when and how 7G will change your life, and why Elon Musk's satellites are just the beginning. The real 7G is a game changer, beyond anything we've seen. Think terahertz frequencies, space-based internet, and 1 microsecond latency, and it's coming sooner than you think. Here's the exclusive timeline, leaked straight from Top Tech Lab and patent filings. Between 2025 to 2030, 6G will take over with AI-driven networks and insane speeds, setting the stage for 7G. By 2030 to 2035, China and the US will start testing hybrid satellite terrestrial networks. For example, Starlink, 1,000 times faster, with terahertz waves piercing buildings like X-rays. By 2035 to 2040, the first pilot cities like Seoul and Shanghai will debut real 7G, enabling unthinkable tech, like real-time holograms, flying car traffic control, and brain-computer interfaces. Yes, you could literally download skills straight to your brain like in The Matrix. By 2040 plus, 7G will go global, connecting Earth to Mars colonies. With 10 terabytes per second speed, stream Netflix on another planet without buffering. But here is the dark side. 7G could bring a surveillance nightmare where governments could be tracking your every move. Quantum hacking risks, which are the unbreakable encryption today, could be cracked in seconds. And of course, the conspiracy theories will explode. Remember the 5G mind control rumors? They will be nothing compared to 7G fears. Will 7G make fiber optics obsolete? Will Elon Musk dominate the space internet race? Now let's deep dive to explore how the universe will look like when 7G hits the market. With the 7G revolution, you can imagine a world where surgeries are performed remotely in real time by AI surgeons with zero latency. Envision a world where buffering is extinct, where a farmer in rural Africa performs AI-assisted crop analysis in real time, and where a surgeon in New York controls a nanobot inside a patient's bloodstream from Mars. This is the future of 7G, supercharged by Elon Musk's Starlink and Amazon's Kuiper is about to unlock. The national security is guarded by quantum-encrypted, unhackable drone swarms, and where space colonies on Mars stream Ultra HD holograms back to Earth. This isn't just faster internet, it's a paradigm shift, rewriting human existence. The space internet, with seamless connectivity between Earth, Mars, colonies, and satellites. Brain-computer interfaces, known as BCIs, will let you control smart cities with your thoughts, while holographic metropolises replace sidewalks with floating AR ads and AI-driven traffic. In healthcare, nanobots powered by 7G's terabit speeds will patrol your bloodstream, detecting diseases before symptoms appear. Remember, when 7G takes flight, the sky's no longer the limit. Imagine a world where rush hour is 500 feet in the air, where your Uber isn't a car. It's a silent, AI-piloted flying taxi that navigates skyscrapers at 200 miles per hour with zero latency, thanks to 7G's sub-millisecond response time and hyper-precise satellite sync. The autonomous flying vehicles will dodge drones, adjust for wind gusts, and reroute mid-air instantly. No more traffic jams, just sky highways where thousands of electric vertical takeoff vehicles communicate in real time, creating a self-regulating aerial ballet. When it comes to emergency response, ambulance drones will reach cardiac arrest victims 3 times faster, saving millions of lives. Amazon Prime Air will upgrade from drones to autonomous cargo planes, slashing delivery times to under 10 minutes. But the real revolution will be with the intercity air commutes. Imagine living in LA but working in San Francisco with a 20-minute daily flight costing less than gas. The impact. Cities will expand vertically, suburbs will vanish, and the very concept of distance will collapse. With 7G, the sky isn't falling, it's opening up. Are you ready for takeoff? When it comes to gaming, say goodbye to consoles. Cloud-based neural gaming will project entire world into your mind, with AI NPCs so real they'll remember you across games. Meanwhile, AI utopias will optimize entire economies in real time, erasing poverty through predictive resource allocation. And for thrill seekers, real-time weather manipulation in open-world games will make hurricanes a playable feature. But the real game changer would be space colonization. Starlink and Kuiper's orbital grids will link moon bases, Mars colonies, and interstellar probes into a single seamless web, making interplanetary Zoom calls a reality. The impact will democratize knowledge, eradified digital divides, and a united planetary brain. The question isn't if this future comes, it's how fast we're ready to embrace it. Buckle up. With 7G revolution, the next era of humanity starts, where future will unlock humanity's final form. Ready to transcend? The countdown has already started. However, the dark sides of the 7G revolution could jeopardize humanity in unimaginable ways. There is every possibility the hackers will weaponize 7G's zero-latency networks to hijack brain implants, turning citizens into remote-controlled puppets. The AI-powered surveillance states track your every thought, purchase, and heartbeat in real time, which will be double-edged sword, slicing through privacy, autonomy, and even humanity itself. With real-time access to the world's entire data, the quantum-hacked nanobots could assassinate world leaders by clotting their blood, whereas the military drones, fueled by 7G's instant data, might launch autonomous wars faster than humans can intervene. The other possibilities are a neural malware outbreak could erase memories or implant fake ones, turning social media into a mental battlefield. Say hello to AI-generated deepfake politicians ruling via hyper-realistic propaganda, while quantum AI monopolies enslave economies with unbreakable algorithmic control. Even gaming has a dark twist. VR addiction could become a mental epidemic, with players trapped in AI-crafted dream worlds, their bodies withering in reality. And let's not forget, what if 7G-powered space colonies revolt, declaring independence from Earth with unstoppable orbital weapons? The future isn't just bright, it's blinding, and the shadows it casts could be eternal. Will 7G save us or enslave us? Conspiracy theories and rumors brings it on that 7G isn't just about speed, but silent mind control. It is speculated that the neurofrequency pulses will be embedded in 7G towers, tuning your brain like a radio, suppressing dissent, erasing free will, and even triggering sudden aggression. Leaked labs report expose that 7G's terahertz waves scramble DNA, causing sterility plagues and rapid aging syndromes covered up as mystery illnesses. The darkest twist would be elite quantum priests allegedly use 7G to commune with extra-dimensional AIs, trading human autonomy for alien tech. And when entire cities report identical dreams, is it coincidence or a global brain sync experiment? They told us 7G would connect the world, but what if it's connecting us to something or someone else? Will we become remote-controlled zombies? Wake up before your thoughts aren't yours anymore. By now, it is crystal clear that 7G will not be about the speed or upgrade. It will be a revolution that will rewire reality, turning science fiction dreams into your daily life. But here's the catch. Will human race control it, or will it control the entire humanity? Smash that like button if you're ready for the next era, and subscribe because the wildest breakthroughs are coming faster than you think. Drop a comment. Would you implant a 7G chip in your brain for superhuman speed? Stay tuned, stay woke, and brace yourselves because humanity will never be the same. The future is coming fast. Don't get left behind. See you in another game-changing use case.